Welcome to our MCQ series on our solar system. In this video, you will test your knowledge based on our sun, planet, moons and other celestial bodies. So let us begin. The first question is, which one of the following statement is false regarding to the sun of our solar system? Is it that 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system is concentrated in the sun? It is mostly made up of hydrogen, which is 74%, and helium 24%. Or the gases undergo to a process of nuclear fission, which releases a huge amount of energy? Or is it that the outermost layer from where the solar flares are observed is called corona? And the false statement is that the gases hydrogen and helium undergo to the process of nuclear fission. Actually, it is not fission, it is fusion. And this process is done in the sun's core, right? The closest planet to the sun is Venus, Mercury, Mars, or none of the above option is correct. And the correct answer is Mercury. The mnemonic to learn the sequence of the planets from closest to farthest is My very elegant mother just showed us 9 planets. We can take the first letter of each word, then it comes M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, N for Neptune, and P used to be for Pluto, but Pluto is no more a planet. Now it is considered to be a dwarf planet. Which planet is known as the evening star or the morning star? Is it Venus, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter? And the correct answer is Venus. Actually, Venus is a planet, not a star, but it is just known as the evening star and the morning star because in the morning it appears in the eastern sky, while in the evenings it appears into the western sky after the sunset. The planet where the sun rises or appear to rise in the west and sets in the east are Venus and Jupiter, Mercury and Uranus, Mars and Saturn, or is it Venus and Uranus? And the correct option is Venus and Uranus. In case of Venus, it spins backward. Actually, it spins in the opposite direction as the Earth spins. So the sun rises from the west while it sets in the east. But in case of Uranus, it rotates in the side and because it is actually tilted about 98 degrees. So it appears that the sun rises in the west while setting into the east. Next question is, which planet is also known as the blue planet? It is very easy question. Neptune, Uranus, Earth, Saturn. And the correct answer, you very well know it, it is Earth. Earth appears to be blue because it is 71% of its surface is covered with water, which are oceans, seas and lakes, and also the atmosphere scatters the blue color that enhances the blue appearance, right? So this is the reason why Earth is known as a blue planet. The next question is, which one of the following statement is false regarding to the planet Earth? Is it that it is the only planet known in our solar system that supports life? 71% of the planet is covered by water. The magnetic field is due to the molten iron core, or the change in the season is due to the rotation on its axis around the sun. The false statement is the change in season is due to the rotation on its axis, but the actual reason is that it is not the rotation, but it is that the axis is tilted at about 23.5 degrees, and it is also revolving around the sun, and this causes that different part of the earth receive different amount of sunlight, and the part that receives more sunlight will have summer, and it is opposite that the one which receives less amount of light will experience winter. Which planet has the longest day, one day? Is it Mercury, Venus, Mars or Uranus? And the correct answer is Venus. One day of Venus is actually longer than its year, and it is equivalent to 243 Earth days. Which planet is known as red planet? Is it Mars, Mercury, Jupiter or Uranus? The correct answer is Mars, and Mars is red planet because of the presence of iron oxide on its surface, which makes it appear to be red. Which one of the following planets has no moon? Mars, Mercury, Jupiter or Uranus? It is Mercury. Mercury has no moon. Which one of the following moons is the largest? Is it Phobos of Mars or Deimos of Mars, or is it Ganymede of Jupiter or Titan of Saturn? And the correct answer is Ganymede of Jupiter. Which one of the following moons has rivers and lakes but liquid methane is flowing into its surface? Phobos of Mars, Deimos of Mars, Ganymede of Jupiter, Titan of Saturn. And the correct answer is Titan of Saturn. Which planet happens to be the hottest one? Is it Mercury, Venus, Earth or Mars. And the hottest planet is Venus. Many people get confused that Mercury is the closest one, so it should be the hottest planet. But actually Venus is the hottest planet in our whole solar system. Which planet is the farthest from the Sun? Is it Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune? The correct answer is Neptune. Which planet has the greatest number of moons? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And the correct answer is Saturn. Saturn has confirmed 274 moons, while Jupiter is the second one which has 97 confirmed moons. Which planet is the largest gaseous planet? Earth, Mars, Jupiter or Neptune? The correct answer is Jupiter. Which one of the following is the densest planet in our solar system? Earth, Mars, Jupiter or Neptune? And the correct answer is Earth. Earth is densest because it has a metallic core and rocky composition, and the average density of Earth is approximate about 5.52 gram per centimeter cube. Which one of the following is the least dense planet? Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter or Neptune? And the correct answer is Saturn. Saturn is a gas giant planet mostly composed of hydrogen and helium, which are very low density gases, and it also contains small amount of methane, ammonia and water vapor. The density of Saturn is so low that it can actually float on water. Which planet has the shortest day? Is it Mercury, Venus, Jupiter or Neptune? And the correct answer is Jupiter. The day of Jupiter, one day of Jupiter is about 9 hours and 56 minutes. Name the only dwarf planet that orbits in the asteroid belt. Is it Pluto, Eris, Ceres or Haumea? And the correct answer is Ceres, which orbits in the asteroid belt, while Pluto and Haumea are located in the Kuiper belt and Eris is located in the scattered disk, which is beyond the Kuiper belt. Like the video, subscribe the channel and don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Thank you for watching.